The question is, there are three persons, A, B and C. Well, the question says initially each had certain number of diamonds. Let's say A had A, B had B and C had C. Now, first A double the diamonds of B and C, means he will give B to B, it will become 2B. He will give C to C, it will become 2C, and he will be left out with this thing. First A double the diamonds of B and C, means he will give B to B, that is 2B, C to C, that is 2C, and he will be left out. Now B will double the diamonds of A and C, means what all A had, the same thing he is going to give, so it will become 2A minus 2B minus 2C. What all C is having, he is going to give that 4C, so he will be left out with 2B minus, he gives A minus B minus C to A minus 2C, and then C doubles. As you can see, it's becoming much more complex here. B is going to double diamonds of A and C. He will give A minus B minus C to A, 2C to this, and he will be left out with this. It's a very complicated thing. Or other way, for example, let's say if in the beginning they had 20, 10 and 5. If they had 20, 10 and 5, that is total 35. First A double the diamonds of B, that is 10 to B, 5 to C, and he gave 10 and 5, 15, so he is left out with 5. Now B double the diamonds, 5 to him, 10 to him, so what all it becomes, he gave 15, so he is left with 5. Now C double the diamonds, we are just taking example what all was done. Now C doubles 10 to him, 5 to him, and he is left out with 5. For example, if A had 20, B had 10, C had 5. First A doubled, so 10 to B, 5 to C, left out with 5. Now B doubled, 5 to A, 10 to C, he is having 10, 20, left out with 5. And now C doubled, so it becomes 20, this becomes 10. So if you check out at every process, total diamond at every step is same. Total in the beginning or total at the end. This was just example what all was done. Now let's check it. Beginning A had A, B had B, C had C. Total in the beginning is 72. Total at the beginning is given 48. So at end also is going to be 48 because diamonds are just rotating in the group, and at the end each had equal, that is 16, 16, 16. This is at end. Total in the beginning is 48, so total at the end will also be 48. Each had equal, that is 16, 16 and 16. This is after 8 last C doubled. So before doubling, this is after C doubled, at the end C doubled. Now at the end C doubled, so before doubling it was 8, 8. C gave 8 to A, 8 to B, he gave 16 and is left out with 16, means before doubling was 32. I repeat, at the end each had equal, total 48. This is after C doubled, so before C doubled, after doubling is 16, so before C double it was 8. After doubling is 16, so before doubling 8. C gave 8 to A, 8 to B, he gave 16 and he is left out with 16, means before doubling he had 32. Now before this step B doubled, before this step B doubled. Now, so after B doubled it's 8, so before B doubled it was 4, B gave 4 to A, it became 8. After doubling is 32, so before doubling it was 16, B gave 16 to C, B gave 4 to A, 16 to C, after giving 20 he is left out with 8, so before doubling it was 28. I repeat, last step we know it is left out is what, 8, 8, 32. This is before B doubled. So before this B double, it is 8, so before that it was 4. It is 32, so before that 16. B gave 16 to him, 4 to him. After giving 20, he is left out with 8. Before that 28. Now before this A doubled. Now before this A doubled. So after doubling is 28. So before that it was 14. Before that it was 14. After doubling is 16. Before that it was 8. And A gave 14 to him, 8 to him. After giving 22, he is left out with 4. So before that it was 26. As you can check out, at every step total was always 48.